Hello everybody and welcome to today's lesson. Today we are studying W.I.S.E Starter Unit 1, Haun Registers at the Hall of Residence. Today's lesson covers a conversation, numbers, spelling, and asking for and giving basic information. Before we look at the conversation, let's look at some vocabulary. Repeat after me. To register. Hall of Residence. To spell. This is a family. These are the given names in the family. John, Carol, Ben, and Lucy. These are the family names in the family. They all have the same family name. Smith, 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 Smith. Before we practice today's conversation, let's look at the animated conversation. Just give me a moment here. Hello, how can I help you? I'm here to register. What's your given name? My given name is Guan. Oh, I'm sorry, that's wrong. In English, my given name is Haun. My family name is Guan. How do you spell that? My given name is H-A-E-U-N. My family name is G-W-O-N. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. What's your nationality? I'm sorry, I don't understand. That's okay. Where are you from? Ah, now I understand. I'm from Korea. Your room number is 27. Please could you repeat that? Your room number is 27. 37? No, 27. Oh dear, my English is terrible. Cheer up. Right. Now, please repeat the conversation after me. Hello, can I help you? I'm here to register. What's your given name? My given name is Guan. Oh, I'm sorry, that's wrong. In English, my given name is Haun. My family name is Guan. How do you spell that? My given name is H-A-E-U-N. My family name is G-W-O-N. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. What's your nationality? I'm sorry, I don't understand. That's okay. Where are you from? Ah, now I understand. I'm from Korea. Your room number is 27. Could you repeat that? Your room number is 27. 37? No, 27. Oh dear, my English is terrible. Cheer up. Now, if you have a practice partner, please pause the video and practice this conversation with your partner. Now let's look at numbers. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now practice saying these numbers. There will be various numbers that flash orange, like this. Look at the 49. When you see the number flash, then please say the number. For example, 25. Now let's practice spelling. Let's look at the example. How do you spell 21? TWENTY hyphen ONE. Now answer these questions. How do you spell 12? How do you spell 36? How do you spell 42? How do you spell 7? How do you spell 38? How do you spell 25? How do you spell 9? How do you spell 33? How do you spell 44? How do you spell 15? Again, if you have a practice partner, pause the video here and practice with your partner. Now let's look at these example questions and answers for asking for and giving basic information. Repeat after me. What's your given name? My given name is John. How do you spell your given name? It's Jon. What's your family name? My family name is Smith. How do you spell your family name? It's Smith. How old are you? I'm 39 years old. Where are you from? I'm from England. Now answer these questions with real information about you. What's your given name? How do you spell your given name? What's your family name? How do you spell your family name? How old are you? Where are you from? Again, if you have a practice partner, please pause the video and practice with your partner. Here are some expressions for when you don't understand. You can say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Or you can say, please could you repeat that? That's the end of this lesson. Please go back and review if you need to. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.